Kia or Hyundai, the Misfire of the, like on trouble code, second and fourth cylinder has misfire. As usual, this car has bad quality coil, fake plug, or burned computer. So let's check. I did it once. It looks very great. Look at this. This arm, steel arm from steel. Yeah, the wire, fat wire to earth. And let's start the engine, and we will see. We can mix the coil to understand what the problem. Or plug, or coil, or computer. So the diagnostics say that the spark plugs okay, coils okay, computer okay. What not okay? The engine not okay. I think maybe this car drive on the LPG, and it has, as you saw by trouble code, it has trouble code about the mixture that is. So if the car drives on LPG with too long mixture, possible that the valve will little burn. So I think this is the diagnosis in this car. Need to remove head, check, but before it's possible to check how the compression go away. You make pressure, and by go you check. Yeah.